Hey, what's up, my YouTube family? Today again, here I am with one more cool trick by which you can earn Instagram followers, likes, and everything. Basically, today I'm going to show you that how you can grow on Instagram with some cool and with some very effective techniques. So, guys, here I am with 10 most effective techniques to grow on Instagram. So, guys, without wasting our time, let's start the video. But before starting the video, let me remind you that I have already uploaded a part 1 of this video in which I have shown you short-term growth, or the techniques by which you can grow very quickly on Instagram. But today I'm going to show you long-term growth, that how you can grow in long term in most effective manner. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, the first point that I'm going to show you is, first you have to define your target audience. First of all, you must know that whom you want to reach. You must know their age, their area of interest, and why they are on Instagram, and what's their age group, and what are the challenges that they are facing. Next point is, you must have a strategy. First, you should decide that how often you want to post. You want to post regularly, you want to post daily, or you want to post at certain interval of time. Then think that what your Instagram followers want. Suppose your Instagram followers want to see bodybuilding post, but you are posting cars and real estate, so that won't work. First, you have to figure out that what your target audience want. Then post your Instagram strategically. Next, you have to drive your traffic to your own website. Suppose there you have 1000 followers and you want to and you have a certain business, like you are selling a chair, or you are selling a furniture. You should post your Instagram posts very strategically, so that your all audience should be driven to your website, so that your business will flourish. Next point is, create consistent brand story. Make sure to maintain consistent brand story, personality, visual, and looks. As I gave you example, suppose you are dealing in furniture field, so you have to be very consistent with your post. You have to be very consistent with your visual looks, because visual looks matters. You have to post HD images, you have to post very catchy images, you have to post very soothing images or very calming images whenever it's required. Your post must be recognizable. It's not like that if you are posting a furniture, and you are posting a furniture by placing it in a different kind of scenery where people are observing the scenery but they're not observing your product. So your post should be recognizable. Your post must be relatable. Suppose you are posting a post, that post should be relatable with the target audience, so that they can relate with it and they can be driven to your Instagram account. Next point is, write effective captions. As it's very well said that captions plays a very vital role in any kind of story or any kind of post. So you should write a very effective caption. If captions can be long, no worries, because long captions are more catchy. So you don't worry about long captions, just write very effective captions. Next is, you should start sharing stories on Instagram, because stories are very effective way to attract audience. Another sub point is, you have to do Q&A rounds. Like there is a option on Instagram by which called ask a question. Do those rounds. Your followers will ask you a question and interact. It helps in interacting with them. You can answer them in a very good way, so that there will be a bilateral communication. Next is, use emojis. You should use emojis while writing captions. It's very effective. And once again, I am saying that your captions should be relatable, because your target audience should relate with your caption. Next is, upload more videos. Since photos and videos are both equally effective in terms of audience engagement, but videos are something that are more effective, because they directly hit on your brain, and they are long lasting. So guys, you should upload more videos, because they are more effective in attracting audience. And Next point is use hashtags wisely. Instead of randomly copying your relevant hashtags, like I showed you in my previous video, the part 1, in which I have shown you that how you can find the trending hashtags and how you can use it in your Instagram posts. So today here I am saying you that you should use relevant hashtags very wisely, and you should include your hashtags in your captions, and you should focus on quality rather than quantity. Next is post more Instagram stories. So guys, billions of stories are being uploaded every day, and Instagram stories helps in audience engagement. And according to our research, it's found that in every 5 Instagram story, it results in direct messaging. So guys, if you are posting Instagram story, chances are more often that your audience will start messaging you. And you should tag your location. Yes guys, my next point is tag your location. It's very effective, especially when you have some business, or if you have some business, then your physical location is very important. And one more thing, suppose if you are tagging your location, so when anyone will search for that location, your post will appear to them, and it helps in audience engagement again. The next point is follow other relevant users. You should follow your relevant users or your rivals or your competitors, because it keeps you updated in the market. And next is engage with existing communities. Be active in comment section. Always answer the people very wisely. Like their comments, repost their comments, repost their posts. It helps in engagement with the audience. So guys, these were the 10 effective points which helps you in long-term growth on Instagram. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because as you can see that I am posting these kinds of videos on daily basis, and it helps to grow you socially, to grow your money as well. So guys, thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.